Hi guys.
Hi.
We're gonna be unboxing a Japanese snack box.
Can't wait.
So this, wow.
Ooh. That looks nice.
Wait, what do you want to do first?
I say this one because it's so darn bright. What does that say?
Oh,
Prince?
that's snack noodles.
Let's try it.
But they're not, wait, do you eat snack noodles? Just eat them?
I mean, yeah.
Oh.
Tis a snack box.
thought
May
you had
your
to cook.
dreams be deliciously sweet. Melody so cute. Hold on.
I think they have to be cooked.
No. They're probably just little crunchy noodles. Hold on, baby.
This is what each of them look like.
Mmm.
Yeah,
That's delicious.
I really like it.
Where'd Angelica go? There she is.
You want them?
Thanks.
Okay.
Angelica, you want to try these? Here.
Actually, they are pretty good.
No.
That was cute. Wait, should we try this next little French pie?
Yum. Yes.
Okay.
Those taste like potato chips. I like them.
Oh,
Ooh. It looks adorable.
that's so cool. How do I break it in?
Ooh, it's crunchy. It's very sweet.
I like this.
That's pretty good. Angelica, do you want to try? Yum.
There's a little baby bee standing on my phone.
No, don't run away. I give that 5 stars. It was pretty good. What's next?
I get a 7 out of 10.
Nice.
Wait, what do you want to try next?
This.
Ooh.
Egg rolls. They're so cute.
Let me find out how to... Please help. And jump.
Grab it.
Jumping out.
Oh.
That was cute but annoying.
Oh, these look interesting.
Oh,
Whoa.
that's good that was 2. Oh crap, she almost got the...
Do you want to break one in half and save one for later?
No. Stop. Stop. Ow.
We'll cut that out.
Well, yeah, it's fine. Three, 2, 1. Oh,
What the heck?
that's weird.
I don't know why I expected it to taste more like an egg roll. But it tastes more like a wafer.
I think
Rowdy,
this
go
definitely looks Japanese. Because they have those little figures.
They're so cute, though.
Yeah.
The packaging's great. Angelica, come here. We'll have to cut this part out, too. Rowdy, go. Rowdy, go.
Mama, Mama. Mama. What do you rate it? Mm.
I give it 6 out of 10.
Mm. I give it 9 out of 10.
It was pretty good.
It's pretty. Oh, it has a little bit of sweetness.
Do you want to try this, Angelica? Eat?
Let's try this one next.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. What is that?
It's a victory pie.
That means you win as soon as you eat it. There. Interesting.
Let's look at. Oh.
It's just a fly.
Oh. Here.
Ooh, that's weird.
Yeah. 3 out of 10.
Hi. Angelica joined us. Look. Can you say hi?
Hi.
I think there's 2 of these because I feel the package.
Meow.
This is.
Hi.
I don't know what this is, but it
Hi.
looks pretty cool.
Meow.
White hazelnut.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah.
We do like chocolate hazelnut.
But.
That's what Nutella is.
Oh.
Uh-oh, pick them up.
Oh, this looks sweet.
Ooh, it looks like a Kit Kat. A fancy Kit Kat. Give me a break. Give me a break. It did not break the same. Ooh, here's what's inside.
What's it? Can I
Some-
see?
It's another wafer.
Mm.
Ooh, it's creamy on the inside.
I like that. Oh, actually, bleh.
I like it. I'd
It's pretty
eat
good. It was good at first, but then the actual taste, bleh.
it.
0 out of 10.
It tastes like Sonic ice cream. I don't know how to explain that, but that's yours.
So there's a few candies in here. Which one do you want?
I like salted caramel.
Okay. Yeah. So I got blue raspberry one.
And I got salted caramel. Ooh.
What is that?
There's mine. Looks
Ooh.
like taffy.
Can you please help me open mine? Mine's really hard.
There's one for you. I like it. And here's Skylar's.
Ooh.
That won't taste good together.
How about you try it first since I'm still... That's the last one.
This
Is
is
it
gummy. Ooh.
That was a...
Milk candy.
I don't really like a caramel one.
You can just spit it out.
Well, I also don't feel like swallowing it.
This actually tastes good. Surprisingly.
It's like sour candy without the sour part.
You should save these for your school. But what else is in there is this milk candy.
It's a hard candy, so we can't really have it.
This doesn't say anything that I can read, but it looks awesome.
Yeah.
And it's squishy. And then mango gummy candy.
Oh, I got
You don't like it? I like the blue raspberry, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. That was some delicious stuff. We need to do another unboxing very soon. Say
Okay.
bye, Sky.
Bye.
I didn't mean to.